Good morning guys. It is Vlogmas day 8. And let me move y'all back so y'all can see what I am doing. So yeah, it is Vlogmas day 8. And I don't know if you had to have remembered if you've been watching the vlogs. The other day, I think it was Vlogmas day 3, I told you guys that I had an interview. And I showed y'all how to get ready for an interview in your PJs. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but yeah, I showed y'all how to get ready for an interview in your PJs. Well, guess what? We have interview number 2 today. So, we getting ready again in our PJs to do this interview. Today I actually have to comb my hair because I just do. So I'm gonna give the people a little ponytail. It's not gonna be anything fancy. It's just gonna be a little ponytail because I actually have about 20 minutes before the interview and I have to review this thing that the guy sent to me, which I have not done because y'all, I've had a busy morning, like an incredibly busy morning. I have been working and more working. So we're just gonna plop this hair into a little bun here. Not even a bun. I'm gonna put it in a ponytail like this, and that's gonna be that. Do I want to do some edge control? I don't feel like it because I need to wash my hair. So I'm gonna pop it into like a little ponytail, and I'm gonna give the people, I'm gonna give them a bright color today. Last time I gave them black. Today we're going bright yellow. You know, people like bright and yellow and sunny and whatnot. So we're gonna do bright and yellow today. I probably need to change out this sports bra. Yeah, let me change out the sports bra right quick. All right, so we changed out our sports bra, and we're just gonna throw this on. Now, the girl that I did the interview with last time, she was incredibly lax. She had on like a little 2-piece separate set, but I mean, you know, I work in HR, so it's a pet peeve of mine when people come to these interviews and they don't be dressed. Like, you know, I just feel like it's an interview. No matter how lax or whatever the company may be, you should still show up and, you know, dress up as if it's like a $1 million position. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah. All right, so we are ready for our interview. I'm not putting on no necklace, like I said. I'm not putting on no accessories today. So, we about to go and get this job.
How long have you been doing that?
So I have been on YouTube creating content. I think I started back in 2015 when I moved to California, but I've just recently started being as consistent as I need to be this past year. So I've been on YouTube since 2015. Yes.
I guess what was the purpose for you starting?
At the time, so we're a military family. So at the time, my ex-husband and we moved to California and I was not working. So I needed something to do besides just sitting in the house. And at the time, I had a passion and a love for makeup. So I started doing makeup because a lot of people were asking me, how do you do your makeup? Can you teach me? Can you teach me? Can you teach me?
So, but your channel is focused on makeup?
My channel is now, we've moved into lifestyle. It started out as makeup, and now it's makeup, fashion, hair, lifestyle, all things that you can think of in everyday life.
Awesome. Okay.
It's saying that it's connecting to you now. So at this point, what would next steps be? Alrighty, sounds exciting. Okay, so I should be looking for some type of paperwork, and the time and everything will be in the email, correct? Okay, all right, sounds good. Thank you so much. Same here, you too, take care. Bye-bye. All right, Lord. Y'all. I applied for the life coach position, right? The interview went well the last time, went so good this time. You are now looking at a new director of operations. Y'all apply for a life coach position. Them people, that man said you are better fit for the executive staff. Therefore, I want to make you the director of operations. Come on, guy. Won't he do it? Won't he do it? In my pajamas. Yes. So we are headed to the nail shop because this camera is blurry. We're about to get ready to go. Well, we're actually in the car now. We're headed to go to the nail shop. I need to, I'm gonna give my nails a rest until the week before Christmas, and then I'll do my long reds. But for now, I'm just gonna soak these off, get a manicure, get a pedicure, and yeah, hopefully a quick nail shop run. So yeah, I'll see y'all when we get to the nail shop. I just need a pedicure and a soak off and a manicure. Oh, y'all don't have the stuff for me to sanitize my hands? This little tree is so cute. Look at the cute little tree.
Pretty much the same. Can I show you a picture? I can. Right. Cái hộp nhỏ.
Let's see. Let's do honey pearl. I'll try honey pearl.
This is 55.
This what?
This one is 55.
Yeah.
Without the gel.
That's fine.
It's 15 more.
It is Vlogmas day 10, and the baby and I are wasting a little bit of time before I have to take him to school because I didn't want to wait in the line, and I think that cold monkey is really on my back, so we're headed to Starbucks to get something hot, not just my tea today. I want to see if they have my caramel apple spice, and if not, my best friend keep talking about a medicine ball. I think that's what she calls it. So we're about to pull into Starbucks now. I'm hoping that they don't have a horrendous line, and they do. They do. So we have about 20 minutes before the little guy has to
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and comment your daily shenanigans.
The little guy has about 20 minutes before he
Goes to school.
has to be at school, but then he has another 15 before he's late, so we good. We like 10 minutes away from the school.
No, I don't have to be in class till 8:30.
Oh, well then he has 30 minutes before he's late. And it doesn't look like there's a lot of people inside, but yeah, I got on pajamas, so I don't really want to get out the car. And they have a drive-through here, so we're about to get us some whatever they have, because sometimes Starbucks be acting like they don't be having. I don't know how to make a caramel apple spice, and it be making me angry inside. So we're about to see, guys.
Same, but the jury is in. We'll see what happens in this case, I'm sure, in the next couple of days. And the last thing, Rick, I just want to, the mayor of New York,
Thanks for choosing Starbucks. What can I answer for you today?
Good morning. Do you guys do caramel apple spice?
So it normally is like the steamed apple.
What's in the medicine ball?
1 bag of peach tranquility, 1 bag of Jason Smith, half hot water, half lemonade, and normally it's honey, but we've been substituting either liquid cane sugar or agave.
Okay, give me a medicine ball, please.
What's that?
Venti.
20 medicine ball.
Yeah.
Anything else?
No, that's it. Thank you.
$4.34.
This sounds good.
I don't know. We're gonna find out. Tiffany, this better be good, or you owe me $5. for sure. All right, guys, we got this lemonade medicine ball thingy. I was trying to film y'all. I was trying to film them making it, but the girl, I need to go to that light, but I can't get over them. The girl had a little attitude, child. The people had an attitude, so I didn't bother with it. But they did give me a little holiday cook.
So that was nice of them.
So yeah, it's the little plastic one though.
You can steer inside.
All right, guys, so we have made it home from drop-offs and stuff. So I showed y'all that I had went to Starbucks to get this medicine ball, and it's not bad. It literally tastes like a high toddy. So if you had a high toddy or Theraflu or something like that, that's exactly what it tastes like, which is what I need. I'm a little disappointed just because I don't know what I was expecting from it, but I mean, it, like I said, it tastes like a high toddy, so it's probably what I need. So yeah, we're about to separate the kids' clothes because I got them some things for Christmas, so we're going to separate their clothes. And yeah, guys, let's get to it. This is a part of their Christmas gift. So usually what I like to do is next week they leave to go with their dad for Christmas. It's his year to get them. So we do the last time, which was year before last, we did 5 days of Christmas. So every day they would get a new gift, because of course they're not going to be with me on Christmas, so we just did Christmas beforehand. So this year we're actually going to do 6 days of Christmas, because I'm going to start it this Sunday and then it'll end on next Saturday when I actually hand them off to him. And the kids, they kept this package has been here for a minute, and they kept asking like, "Mommy, can we open it? Can we open it?" And I'm just like, no, because what I want to do is I want to put them together like a nice little bag for one of their days for their gift or whatever. So I just picked up, like, my kids are very simple when it comes to dressing them. They like to wear sweatpants, hoodies, jeans, real simple kids, like really, really simple. So Old Navy for Black Friday had a sale, and I let them pick out a couple of things, and then I ended up picking out some things for them too. So we just got, it's not anything fancy. Like I said, my kids are simple, so they like sweats and stuff. So I picked them up a whole bunch of sweats. Also got them some sweaters that they can wear for like Christmas at their dad's, like for the day of Christmas, if they do anything or if they go anywhere, they'll have some nice sweaters, because he's up north. He's still stationed in the military, which y'all know that already. But yeah, so that way they won't be cold, because I was talking to him and he was like, I mean, the weather's kind of crazy, so, you know, just send them a bunch of things, and whatever they don't have, he'll get. But yeah, I just got them a couple of things, and I am going to, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit like maybe 2 or 3 outfits on their bed so that they can feel like I opened it up. This is like this cute little plaid, just too cute. I have a shirt just like this too. But I'm gonna sit some things on their bed so that they can feel like I opened up this thing, because yesterday they was, can we please just open it as a surprise, blah, blah, blah. So I'm gonna open up a couple of them, put them on their bed, and then the rest of them I'm actually going to put in a gift bag for them. So I gotta go through all of this stuff and see what I want to put out. I got to separate it by their size. So this is for my oldest. And then next I'm going to order them some shoes, because on their list they didn't have much. Like my oldest, he had 3 things on his list. He wanted money, some game, and actually he had 2, money and some game. And then my little one, bless his little heart, the boy had all kind of stuff on that doggone list, and one of them was drippy clothes. So I'm gonna order them some shoes, and then everything else is going to be pretty much, I don't know, we'll figure it out though. But their big gift from me is they each have their own, they keep asking me for money, and they have accounts, but they don't have a card for their account. So their big gift from me is an actual card that they can use and go in the store and stuff like that. So I'm excited about that. They're going to be uber excited about it too, because I don't want them, they get money and stuff for Christmas, and I don't want them having that money on them like that, because I don't carry cash on me, and those be like large amounts of money that they get from family and all that. So yeah, we're about to just separate this. This is probably going to be the bulk of my day, separating this, getting my house together, and then that's probably going to be it. So I am going to actually end this vlog here. It is super early. It's actually not even 9 o'clock. But I have to also, I'm working from home today too, so that's boring stuff that y'all not gonna want to see. But yeah, I'm going to upload day 9 and 10 early because I didn't give you guys day 9 yesterday. I was tired. I got home late from the nail shop yesterday, and so I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna combine 9 and 10 together. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, please do so, because that's where you're gonna get the updates. If you don't get a video from me, Instagram will tell you what's going on with that. So if you're not following me on Instagram, not on Instagram, but on Instagram, I can be found at DelainaB_. So make sure that you guys are following me there so that you can keep up with what's going on. Also, a lot of my life, like my personal, I'm not gonna say personal, but I do a lot on social media, so make sure you follow me there. And yeah guys, I will see you guys on tomorrow for Vlogmas day 11.